Hi everyone, welcome to Harsha Trainings. In this video, we are going to cover operators and types of operators in Python. Let's move on to this session 2.
Yeah, good evening everyone. In the previous session, we have discussed about arithmetic. We have completed operators. Then we went for identifiers. Then we went for data types, and slowly we entered into operators. Okay. We have covered up to arithmetic operators. We have seen a formula called PEMDAS. Okay. Now, shall we start the remaining operators? Shall I go? Now, the next operators are called as relational or comparison operators, please. Now, the relational or comparison operators are used to compare the values of either side. Now, I will have, this is one expression, expression one. I have another expression, okay, na? I have another expression too. If I want to compare these two expressions, okay, I will use either relational operation or it is also called as comparison operations. Okay, after comparing these two, it is going to return either true or false. Okay, it is going to return either true or false. Okay, can you please respond? Now, Python supports double equal to operator, which is going to check whether the left hand side expression and right hand side expression are equal or not. Okay, if they are equal, it is going to return true. Not equal to operator, it is going to check whether the left hand expression and right hand expression is not equal or not. Not equal to can be written in two ways. One is exclamatory equal to, and another one is angular braces, less than and greater than. Okay, apart from that, we have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. If you permit me, I will discuss some examples. Shall I go? Now, can you please tell me 1 is less than 2? By default, everyone knows that it is true. Okay, 1 is always less than 2. Then second one is 2.0 is greater than or equal to 1. That is also true. Everyone true. 2 is greater than or 1, and 2.0 and is always true because left side is 2.0, right side is also 2.0. It is also written true. And 2.0 not equal to 2.0, it is false. Now, can anyone explain what is the meaning of this one? Whenever I have the parenthesis right side, it has to be evaluated. 2 is less than 3. It is true. Okay. Now, true will be represented as 1. Now, 1 double equal to 1. Is it true? Yes, it is true. How can we implement 1 double equal to 2? It is 1. It is not always double equal to 2. So it is written false. False will be represented as 0. So output will be 0 is less than 3. This is true. Okay, now? Now, shall we see this in Jupyter Notebook, Andy? Can you please respond? Shall we see this in the Jupyter Notebook?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Thank you very much. Just give me 1 minute. Can you please look at my screen? Is it okay, or shall I increase the font? Okay, look at here. 1 is less than 2. It is always true, and 2 is greater than 1. It is always true. 2.0 double equal 2.0. It is true. 2.0 not equal to 2.0. It is false. Till now, everything we have seen in the PPT. Same thing I am explaining now. 1 double equal to 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3 is true. So it is 1. True will be represented as 1. 1 double equal to 1 is true, and here 1 double equal to 2 is false. False will be represented as 0. So 0 is less than 3. It is true. Clear for everyone? Any queries? Now, I wanted to spend a very, very important topic. That is most often they are asking this question in the interviews. Please. Now, I wanted to discuss this question. Please. This is more important question for the placements or interview purpose. So, look at here carefully. The question is 0.1 plus 0.2 double equal to 0.3. Normally, if we look at this mathematics, everyone will say it is true. You also will say true, na? Everyone, can you please respond? But in what happens how the 0.1 plus 0.2 will be stored in the programming languages. Now 0.1 plus 0.2 will be stored and it will be represented as 0.300004. It ends with 4. Now 0.3 will be 0.3 itself. So can I say that this 0.3 is it equal to this one? No. Will you agree? So it is going to return false. Clear? I will tell you the reason. Can I explain? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you please, any question, Andy?
Sir, can you explain again?
Yeah, please. Let me clear it and explain, please. Can you please look at here? Now, let me demonstrate this first and let me come back here. Now, 0.1 plus 0.2. What will be the outcome? We will say that 0.3, but it is internally, it will store it as 0.30004. Now, if I print 0.3, by default it is 0.3. So, can I equate 0.3 with 0.300004? Are they same? That's what I'm giving here. Double equal to will check the left hand expression and right hand expression both are same or not. Hello? Now see, the answer is false. By default, everyone thinks that 0.2, 0.1 plus 0.2, it is 0.3. So left side is 0.3, right side is 0. It has to be true. But what happens in the memory? How the processor stores float data? Shall I explain? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, yeah, let us discuss how it should not be. Okay. You can also say this one. Now, there are two numbers. One is integers, another one is float numbers. For example, 3.5. If you take this 3.5, 3 is called as integer and 3.5 is called as floats. Clear? Now, integer data stores whole numbers, while float data type stores fractional parts. Is it okay? This is 3 is called as integer. Now 3.5 is called as float number. Will you agree? Now in the memory, very small numbers and very large numbers are usually stored in scientific notations. Okay, na? Once again, remember carefully. Very small numbers and very large numbers are usually stored in scientific notations. According to IEEE 754 floating point standard, 0.1 will be stored in the memory as 3 parts. First one is assigned bit. Second 11 bits are exponent bit. Next 52 bits stores mantissa bit. So look at here, 0.1 will be stored in the memory in this way, and 0.2 will be stored in this way in the memory, internal memory, where 0.1 plus 0.2, which will giving us a 0.3, this one. If still more difficult, more mathematics, now you can ask one question, sir, can't we equate 0.1 plus 0.2 as 0.3? Now it can be done by using another module called fraction modules. Okay, this will be the next class topic. Modules I have not discussed now. Whenever I will start about modules, I will discuss a fractional module and I will compare them. Then it will be equated. Is it okay? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, third kind of operators are called as assignment operators. That means A equal to 3. Here in regularly we are doing this up. The value 3 is called as value and A is called as variable. I am assigning a value 3 to a variable. Here equal to operator always takes from right to left. Okay, whatever the value I have at right side, that will be assigned to left side. This is called as equal to. Okay, na? Then this is plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication. What is the meaning of plus equal to? Let us take A equal to 5. Okay, now A equal to A plus 1. For example, if I do this operation, this can be written as A plus equal to 1. Clear? Now, what is this meaning of this one? A value is 5. 5 plus 1. Once again, the value A, 6 will be stored in A. Is it okay? The same statement I can also write like this. Now look at here. Normally, how these operations will be executed in a regular assignment statements, the right hand side value will be evaluated first. Now look at here. Whenever you use equal to operator, first of all, the right side expression will be evaluated. 2 plus 3 will be 5. The 5 will be assigned to A. Okay. Before assigning the value to the left hand side. Is it okay? This is rule number 1. For example, if I take this rule number 2, A plus equal to 3, what will happen is it will do like this: A equal to A plus 3. Okay. Now, for example, if I take A equal to 5, what will happen? 5 plus 3. This value 8 will be assigned to here. Is it okay? Can you please respond? This is called as a shorthand side operation. Now here what will happen? Left hand side is evaluated first. What is the meaning of left hand side is evaluated? Because A value will be 5 before evaluating to the right side. 5 will be given to this A, then 3 will be added. The result will be stored in A. Is it okay? Now let us discuss with simple example. Now A comma B comma C equal to 21 comma 10 comma 0. Here 21 will go for A, 10 will go for B, and 0 will go to C. Now what I have written: C equal to A plus B, A equal to 21 and B equal to 10. So C contains the value 31. Will you agree? Now I am writing the statement. This will be written as C equal to C plus A. What is the value of C? C is 31 plus A value is 21. Now this is 52. Will be stored in C. Is it okay? Like this, C plus equal to A can be written as C equal to C plus A. Now remaining operators will be executed as it is. Clear for you? Hello? Any queries, Andy? Please. If you have any small query, you can ask, Andy, please. It is my humble request. You ask many number of questions, then you can get more subject. Clear? Now, the next concept is, kindly everyone note down your open your notebook, and everyone kindly open your notebook and pen. You have to note down some important information. Okay. The next operators are called as logical operators. This we will use it regularly in the programming. Okay. Please, everyone open the notebooks now. Python supports 3 logical operators. They are used to join 2 or more condition. Now I have one condition here, condition 1. Condition 1. I have one more condition, condition 2. I like this. I have many number of condition. Okay, what is okay? In Andi Telugu, in Telugu sir Andi, please. In Telugu, Andi means sir. Okay, sorry, I don't use Andi once again, please. It is it's just okay, please. Yeah, thank you very much, please. Now what the logical, now if I want to combine these two or more logical conditions, if I want to combine 2 or more logical conditions, I will use operators such as AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. Let me discuss the basics of AND operator. Now let me take, if I take A and B, okay, 0 0 0 means false. Wherever 0 means false, okay. 1 means true. Please consider in this way. Now 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now I'm taking A AND operation between A and B. Now AND operation will be true when 2 operands has true value. Then only it will value 1. Remaining all other cases the value will be 0. Okay. Now look at carefully. AND operation returns true if both the operands are true. Now here, this A is a true and B is a true, then only the AND operation returns true. In all other cases, it will be false. Clear for you? Hello? Can you please respond?
Yes.
Yeah, just a minute.
Yeah,
Now,
yes, sir.
Yeah. Let me go for OR operator. Okay, let me go for OR operator. Now, OR operator returns true when any one of the operand is true. Here, out of these 2 operands, one operand is true. Now, out of these 2 operands, this operand is true. Out of these 2 operands, this is true. And when 2 operands are false, then only the result is false. This is about OR operator. Is it okay? Look at here. OR operator returns true if either of the operands are true. Are you getting me? Either this operand or this operand is true. The return type is true. Is it okay? Now, not means If you give input as false, output will be true. If you give input as true, output will be false. This is called as NOT operator. Is it okay? Can you please note down in your notebook about this table? This is called as truth table for two operands. Can you please note down? I will wait for 2 minutes. Hello. Done? Is it done?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. Shall I continue to small examples? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Now let us do this application. Now a equal to 50. Okay. A equal to 50. Okay. Now what expression I have given? A mod 4. Now let us take a 50 mod 4. Mod means remainder. Okay. 12 4s are 48. Okay. The remainder is 2. Okay. True means true. Now my left hand expression is true and right hand expression 50 is greater than 0. It is also true. Now if both left hand side and right hand operations is true, the output is true. That's it. The expression, the output for this expression is true. Clear for you? Hello. Now shall I go for here? Now
Yeah,
here,
yes, sir.
yeah, now this expression is true. Just now we have calculated this expression is true, or 50 is greater than 0. This is also true. Both expressions are true, so output will be true. Then the logic is here, not of true. This will be false. So the final output of this logic is false. Will you agree? Can you understand?
So 1 second.
What shall I explain once again?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Let me clear this and draw once again, please. Do you want second one or do you want first one also?
Second one.
Yeah. Now we know that 50 mod 4, the remainder is 2. Any number is true. This is true. Okay. Then or 50 is greater than 0. It is also true. Now here both are true. The result is true. Okay, now. Then not of true. Here I have given not of true. Not. I have also given not here. Not of true means false. Okay. Final output is false here. Clear?
Okay.
Now here I will ask, you have to say this. B1 equal to true. This is true. Means 1. B2 equal to false. This is 0. Can you please answer me fastly? B1 and B2 and operation.
False.
Yes, by default it is false. And means both should be true. Now B1 or B2.
B1 and B2. B1 or B2. True, sir.
It is true. True. R means anyone should be true. Now not of B1, not of B1, not of true. It is false, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now everyone kindly open your notebooks, and this will be a little bit tricky and a little bit toughest one, Andy. The next operators are called as bitwise op. Definitely if you go for Python interviews, if they conduct any examination, online examination, without bitwise operators, there will not be any question paper, Andy. Okay. If you go for interviews, okay, they will ask some questions, please. Shall I go? Now Python supports, now first I'll ask some questions, please. Computers understands only zeros and ones. That's it. That is called as a machine understandable data. That is nothing but bits. 0 or 1s is called as bits. Okay. And bitwise operators will work only on bits. Okay. Now look at here. Python supports 6 bitwise operators. They are AND is called as bitwise AND. This is pipe symbol. OR, this is called as bitwise OR. and tilde symbol, this is called as bitwise NOT. This is called as bitwise XOR, and right shift and left shift. Shall I explain one by one? Now, before you wanted to understand this technique, first I will train you for 10 minutes about how the bits will be now. Here we should convert how the data will be converted from decimal to binary. Okay, now? Now let us take, if I take a decimal number as 10. 10 is a decimal number. How can I convert this 10 to binary? Okay, binary. In order to convert this 10 to binary, we should follow this one technique: 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Now 2 power 0 equal to 1, 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 power 2 equal to 4, 2 power 3 equal to 8. Can I write like this one? Now 10 means, how can I write 10? 10 in a decimal format has to be converted to decimal format, binary, like this. 8 will be 1, 2 will be 1. Now the remaining are 2 or zeros. Now 8 plus 2, is it 10? Can you please respond?
Yes.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
I'm
8
asking you
crores.
people, and can you please respond? Yeah. Now let us take a bigger number, 24. Now 24 I cannot accommodate with up to here. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15 only. But if I want to go for 24, I should go for 2 power 4. Okay, 2 power 4 means 16. Now can you please tell me how to get 24? 16 plus 8, how much? 16 plus 8, it is 24. Can you please tell me? 16 plus 8, is it 24 or not?
Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
what I will do is 1100. This is 24. Okay, now 24
Nine.
decimal can be represented as binary like this. Okay, now.
Okay.
Now with
Yes.
this basics, shall I start executing what is bitwise and what is bitwise OR? Now let us do some applications. Now bitwise AND operation, if both the inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Okay, na? Rules. First we should know the rules. If both inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Else output is 0. Now that we have already discussed with logical operator. Now OR means if either input is 1, then the output is 1. Okay, na? If either input is 1, the output is 1. These two rules we have discussed in logical operations also. Okay, na? Now I am discussing a new truth table, XOR. In XOR, the rule is if both inputs are 0, 0, or if both inputs are 1, 1, the output is 0. Okay. If both inputs are different, 0, 1 or 1, 0, the output is 1. That's it. Look at the rule. If both inputs are same, the output is 0. Look at here. 1, 1, output is 0. Sorry, 0, 0, the output is 0. Now here, if both inputs are not same, so the output is 1. This is called as XOR operation. Clear for you?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Now, in order to get bitwise NOT operation, there is a logical formula. Okay, simply you should go for minus x minus 1. Okay, now let us do some example. Let us take a equal to 0 0 4 1 0 0. This is b. How can I write a and b? And means both should be 1. Both should be 1. Here both should be 1 1. So there are 1 1. Remaining all other cases, the output is 0. Is it okay? And means if both inputs are 1, then only the output is 1. Clear for you? And operation.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Now OR operation means if any one output is 1. Now this is 1 here. Look at here. And here any one input is 1. These cases, these 4 ones we got it. Clear? Hello? Clear? Clear about OR operation? OR operation means if any input is on. Look at here. Here any input is on. Here 2 inputs are on. So in all these 5 cases, the output will be 1. Clear for you? If it is clear, I'll go for XOR operation. Now, shall I
Yes,
go
sir.
for XOR operation? Now, what is XOR operation? Now, let me make it clear for 2 minutes, please. Yeah. Let me start what is XOR operation for 2 minutes, please. Here, both the input, if both the inputs are same, the output is 0. Okay, and are you getting me? Now, if here also both the inputs are same, here in this case also, so the output is 0. And if both the inputs are different, then output will be 1 1. Clear for you? This is called as XOR operation. Okay, now if
Yes.
both inputs are same, then the output is 0. If any inputs are opposite case, then the output is always 1. This is called as XOR operation. Okay, now?
Okay.
Now, bitwise not, I will explain the next PPT, please. The next one is bitwise left shift. Now here what I will do is I wanted to shift the bits to the concerned positions left side. Now bitwise right shift means I will move my bits to the right side. In what way I will move? I will take a small example, please. Okay. Now look at here carefully. I have done a beautiful example in the paint. Look at here. Now let me explain this concept through paintbrush, please. Now look at here carefully. Shall I go?
Yes, sir.
Now, is it visible for everyone? Yeah. Now let us take 4. How 4 will be represented in a binary notation? 4. 1, 4. In this 4 place, this will be 1. Remaining all are zeros. How the 5 will be represented? 5 will be represented as 4 plus 1 is 5. Is it okay? I have converted this 4 and 5 as the bits. Is it okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
what is AND operation? AND operation means if both the inputs are same, then only this is AND operation. Then OR operation means if any one input is, then now this one is 1 and this one is 1. So the output is 5 here. What is XOR operation here? All the inputs are same. So the output will be 0. Only in the first rightmost bit 0 1. This is opposite cases. So the output is 1 here. This is, I think everyone knows about AND, OR and XOR. Now, for example, I have A equal to 4. How to calculate negation of 4? It can be written as minus 4 minus 1. This is the formula. What is finally? So the output is 5, minus 5. Is it okay? Hello? These are clear? If you okay, then I'll go for right shift and left shift operations. Can I go?
Yes.
Yeah, please. Now let us do some example. First, we will discuss about right shift operation. What is right shift operation? Right shift. Now, everyone, could you please take your notebook and do like this? 4 bits. I'm taking 4 bits. Okay, now here I have taken A equal to 7. How 7 will be represented? 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, now 7 I have converted into 0 1 1. Okay, so write it as 0 1 1. So first of all, I wanted to right shift 1 bit. Okay, I wanted to write this A to 1 bit right side. Now, whenever I am moving 1 bit right side, what will happen is this 1 will come here, this 1 will come here, this 1 will come here, and this 0 will come here, and 1 more 0 will be added here. Now, this is the result. Okay, now if I shift 1 bit right side, what is happening? This is 1 2 4 8. Can you please tell me what is the output? This is 2 and this is 1. Is it 3? Can you please get me the result? Hello? Hello? Can you get
Yes,
me?
sir.
Now, I'm moving 2 bits right side. Now, let's look at 0 1 1. Now, 0 1 1. I am moving 2 bits right side. Whenever I am moving 2 bits right side, simple do only one thing. These 2 bits will go out. These 2 bits will go out, and this 0 1 will come out here, and these 2 bits will be left over. So the output is 1 here. Clear? Are you getting me? Whenever I'm moving right shift, I am adding that many number of zeros at left side. Okay. Can you get me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. Now, let me take a little bit of discussion about left shift operation, please. If I want to go for left shift operation, left shift here, I am taking, now look at here, a equal to 7 means 0 triple 1. Okay, 0 triple 1 is called as 7. Now let me do like this. Okay, now a is less than 1. That means you simply do one thing. Okay, add this 0, you put it here, and remaining 3 ones you please put it here. That's it, and add 1 0 here, and this will be the result. What is 0 triple 1? 1 2 4 8. What is the result? 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Clear? Hello, can you please tell me whether it is okay or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now, how to shift 2 bits left side? Now, look at here, 2 bits left side. Now, 0 triple 1. Now, in this case, we should be very much cautious, Andy. Now, normally I will do wrong case. Now, I will explain how the students will do wrong case, please. If I do 2 bits left side, what will happen? You will do like this. This 0 and 1 will do like this, and these 2 ones you will put it here. Okay, and you will put it as 0 0. Then double 1 double 0, it is wrong. Okay, why it is wrong? Double 1 double 0 means 1 2 4 8. 8 plus 4 equal to 12, but this is not the case. But the output is giving us 28. But what will happen in this case? We should go for 5 digits, please, because look at here, 5 digits. Now let us take 5 digits. Okay, now here let me take 5 digits. 0 triple 1. Now here also you please put it as 0. Now if I want to shift 2 right bits, so what will happen? These 2 zeros will be added at left side, and here shall I add 3 ones here? These 3 ones I have shifted to left. Now this is triple 1. This is 16 plus then 8 plus 4. How much it is? This is 16, this is 8, and this is 4. 16 plus 8 plus 4, how much? 28. Is it okay? Can you please respond? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now, let me demonstrate them with the Jupyter notebook in 2 minutes. Look at here. I think we have shown these logical operations, and this also we have completed. Then let me do bitwise operators. A and B, 4. A R B, 5. Then A XR B. XR, how much we have for XR operation? It is 1. We have XR operation between them. Okay, now not of 4. This is minus 5. We got minus 5 now. Check it out. We got minus 5. Then we will shift 1 bit. A equal to 7. I should right shift 1. Now this will be 3. Look at here. If I move right shift, okay, sorry, I have 3. It is 3. If I move right shift 2, it will be 1. Then, yeah, if I move right shift 3, I can do like this. Any number, it will be 0. Then move left shift to 1, it will be 14. Move left shift to 2, it is 28. Okay, now got it? Now kindly practice with 3 and 4 also, because in technical examination without having bitwise and logical operators there will not be any questions only. Okay, if you permit me, I will go for the next operations called membership operations. Please, shall I go? Hello, can you please respond?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Now this is most important, Andy. Can you please spend some time on this, please? This is the most important example, Andy, please, because without using membership operation there will be no Python operation. Okay, now Python supports 2 membership operations. First one is in, and second one is not in, not space in, not in. In this PPT, I have not represented them, but in and not in, these two are called as membership operations. Okay, they are used to check if a specific item is present in the sequence. Now, let me discuss what is a sequence in Python. Now, it's the most important question, Andy. Most important, what are sequences in Python? Okay, there are 4 sequences. First one is range function. Let me discuss them in a few minutes. Range function. Range is a function which generates a sequence of numbers. Sequence of numbers. What is the meaning of sequence of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Shall I call them as sequence of numbers? Now, another one is a string object. String object. String. String generates a sequence of characters. Sequence of characters. Sequence of characters. Then third one is a list object. List generates a sequence of different data types. Different types. Fourth one is tuple. Tuple is also like a list, but it is immutable. Okay, it is also sequence of different data types. Now these 4 are called as sequences. Now we will have beautiful discussion in the coming session. Whenever they ask in the question in the interviews, what are sequences in Python? Your answer should be range function, which generates sequence of numbers. Second one is a string object, which generates sequence of characters. List object and tuple object, they generate sequence of different data types. Okay, Nandi? Now, another one is collections. Python has 2 kinds of collections. If anyone asks you collections in Python, you have to say that first one is a dictionary. Okay, dictionary. Today we'll see a little bit about dictionary. Dictionary is a data structure which stores key and value pairs. Key colon value. Key colon value. Okay, na? Now, if I wanted to access the value, I should have a key with me. If I don't have a key, I cannot access the value. Okay, na? Now, this will be represented in the form of open brackets and closed bracket. This is called as a combination of key and value is called as item. Okay, key will be separated with colon. For example, if I want to have next item, there will be comma. Is it okay? Now, another one is set. Set is another data structure where we will store the data in the form of ordered values. Okay, without having any duplicates. Now, these are called as collections. Now, what is the meaning of membership operation? Look at here. Now, let me explain this concept. And range of 1, 10. Range of 1, 10 means, now here 1 will be the starting number and 10 will be the end number. So it is going to generate a sequence of numbers from 1 to 9. Okay, na? 10 will not be included. Okay. Now, I wanted to see whether 9 in. Now let me take a beautiful example here. Now let me go to Jupyter Notebook to explain more about it, please. Look at here. I have a list, and list means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a list. Now in operation returns true if my element 6 is it available in this list. Can you please respond? Can you please respond? Now this is a list. Yeah. Now 6, is it a part of this list? Is it part of this list? 6 in L. Here in operation returns false because 6 is not the part of that list. Now let me take one more question. Now 3, is it a part of this list? 3. This is not 1 and this is L. Otherwise I will make it as LST. I will make it as LST without having any confusion. Okay, na? Here 6 is the part of the list. Can you please tell me 6 is there in the list object? Yes or no?
No.
No. So it is false. Now here 3, is it available in this list?
Yes.
Yes. So it returns true. What I had said, same thing. Look at here. Membership of used to check if a specific item is present in the sequence. Okay, whether the specific item is present in the sequence or not. which always returns either true or false. Now, let us take one more example. Harsha Technologies. Does the small substring tech, is it a part of the string? Can you please respond?
Yes.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes. So it returns true. Now, I'm asking you one more question, please. But I don't give any answer. You need to tell me whether it is true or false. I don't want to say anything. Please put it in the chat box, Andy. I wanted to see the answer, Andy. I want everyone should type it in the chat box. Okay, please. Not only Venkat Sai and Rajkumar, I want other people also has to respond. I want other people also should respond, please. It is my humble request. No one is responding, Andy. It is very sorry. Now, here I told that one point. Did I set one point? Python is case sensitive. Did I send any point regarding Python is case sensitive? Yes or no? Yes. Here, tech is a small character, but I have originally upper character. So small character is not same as uppercase character. So it is false. Can you please find out the difference between these two logics? Here, a substring tech, it is exactly same as this text. So it returns true. But here, tech is a small data. This is not same as Harsha technology. So it returned false. Clear for you? Now can anyone tell me the answer for this? Yeah, not in, exactly opposite to. Now this is false. Yeah, very good, very good. Now I think everyone is good about membership operations, please. Now I'll go for another important concept called as identity operation. This is the most important question and for interview purpose. Python supports two identity operations. First one is, second one is not. It is a space between them, and it is not a single word, it is a space. Okay, there is a space between them. Now these two operators are used to check if two variables are values. Now for example, let us take I will take a equal to 10. Okay, I will take b equal to 20. Now let me explain. Whenever I do like this internally in the memory, it is going to create a pi int object, and a unique 12-digit identifier, will be stored in the memory for a variable a. Here I am declaring one more variable. Okay, so I used to create one more 12-digit unique number for b. Is it okay? This is one row. Now, and one more role is, for example, if I take a equal to 10 and b equal to 10, that means when the same value is assigned for two variables, it is not going to create two objects. Same object will be shared between a and b. Here, a and b will share same unique number. Now, let me demonstrate this concept with the Jupyter notebook, and then I'll come back to this concept, please. This is most important concept. Listen carefully. Now, let us take x1 equal to 10. Now, let me put comment here. X1 equal to 10, y1 equal to 10. Look at here. Now, ID of x1, ID will give me a unique identifier number. Okay, look at here. The internally, it is consisting of 12-digit unique identifier. The memory of x1 has a unique identifier, ends with 808. ID of y1 is y. Now, if you have same value, both will share same memory. Is it okay? Now here if I call is operator, is, now x1 and y1, are they share same location or not? If they share same location, returns true. Clear? Hello?
Clear.
Now let us do with strings. Now strings are immutable. Now look at here, x2 equal to Harsha, y2 equal to Harsha. Now don't forget about the logic and here. Look at the ID of x2 and ID of y2. Here ID of x2 is different from ID of y2. So if I call x2 is y2, so it is false. Will you agree? Hello?
Sorry, it has the same capital letters and same character.
One thing, because it internally consisting of strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Actually, there is a logic behind it. If the two are sharing same location, then only these operation returns true. Okay, na? Hello.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now let me discuss and tell me whether this logic of this one. Now S1 equal to data science and idea of S1. S2 equal to data science idea for S2. Now look at here what it is printing here. String 1 stored in different location, string 2 stored in different location. Here I called is not, so it returns true. Okay, na? Hello.
Okay, sir.
Now this is about membership operations. Okay, if you are good in operators, so we can do better programming. So I have spent a little bit amount on operators. Now if you permit me, I will go for one of the most important question for the Python programming is why Python is object oriented, pure object oriented language. Answer it. Pure object oriented language. Okay, na? This is the most important question once you go for interview Sunday. Okay. Now, shall I explain the answer? My answer is everything in Python is an object. Now, if you ask me what is an object, every object has three properties. It has a name. Okay. It has a value and it has a behavior. It will do some behavior. Okay. If anything is doing these three characteristics, that I will call it as object. Every object has a name. Okay, every object has a value, every object has a behavior. Okay, now let us take shall I take a small example? Student. Let us take a student object. My student name is Rajkumar. Rajkumar is my currently one of the student of this Python class. Rajkumar has some value. Some value is also called as attributes. What are the attributes? He has some height, maybe 6 feet height, maybe weight is around 75 kg, and the color is red. Like this, I can have so many attributes. What are the behaviors of Rajkumar? Right now, he is listening and he is noting down the class what I'm speaking. Okay. Now, shall I call this student Rajkumar as an object? He has a name, he has an attributes, and he has some behaviors. Will you agree?
Sir, my color is not red.
Hello? Can you please
Sir, my
respond?
color is not red.
You were? Oh, sorry. Okay, okay. you can think, you can think them up to my class. Okay, up to my class. We please accept it as red. Okay. Yeah. Now, even data types are also considered as classes. While taking, if I ask type of A, it is giving it as like this class int. Look at here. In first class, I told it. Now, so integer is an object, float is an object, string is an object. Everything in Python is an objects. Okay. Variables are the instances of objects of the classes. Okay. Here I am taking some variables. They are called as instances of the classes. Here I will take a type function to determine which class variable that belongs to. Is it okay? I have used type class in the first class itself. Clear for you? Now let us do some. I think look at here, x equal to 1, type of x. This is integer. Y equal to 1.0, type of y. This is a float. Now, here this 1.2j is called as complex. Okay. Now, what is complex here? Now, I have one function called isInstance. Please, just a minute. Now, I have another function called isInstance. It is used to check whether an object belongs to the specific class. Now, can you please tell me 1 plus 2j, it is a complex. Is it complex or not? If it is complex, it returns true. Now, here we have created three objects, X object, Y object, Z object. If I want to delete the objects, there is a keyword called del. X. Now, these three objects are deleted from the memory. Is it okay? Hello? Hello, whenever x equal to 1, we are allocating some memory. We are allocating some memory for that variable x. How to deallocate the memory? It can be done by a keyword called del. Okay, na? Can you get me?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Then last Rajkumar has asked one question, sir. How can I convert? Small question, please. How can I convert int to floats or float to string? Okay, na? This process is called as a type conversion. Now, type conversions means converting a value of one data type to another. Okay, Python supports two types of conversions. First one is implicit conversion. Second one is explicit conversion. This is also one of the important for interview purpose. And please, what is the meaning of implicit conversion? For example, int to floats, I can convert easily, or I can convert float to int automatically. For example, if I want to convert 1 to float, 1 will become 1.0. If I convert float to integer, 1.0 will become 1. This is called as the implicit conversion. Automatically convert one type to another. Doesn't need any involvement. Another type of conversion is if I want to convert string to integer or string to float, it will not be done automatically. Users has to convert by using built-in functions such as int, float, or string. Now let me discuss with a simple example. Now I have taken integer is 123 and float as 1.23. If I add them, what will happen? I will get 124.23. Look at here. I can add integer and float. Then in this example, let us take, I have an integer 123 and have a string called 456. I cannot add one integer and string. It is an error. So what I am doing, I am converting the string to integer by using a function called int function. Then the string has been converted to integer. Is it okay? Now, let me demonstrate with an example. Just a minute. Let me demonstrate with the Jupyter Notebook example. Yeah, look at here. Int is 123 and float is 1.23. My conversion will be done for 124.23. Here, int n equal to int type and int float n equal to float, and after conversion, the result is float. Clear? 124.23 is a float. Now, I'm going for explicit conversion. Look at here. My one input is integer, another is string. If I do this conversion, it is error because look at here. What is error it is giving? String cannot be connected to integer. String cannot be added to integer. If I want to add it, I have to do type conversion. Look at here. The string 456 has been converted to integer. Now, integer 123 will be added with integer 456. Now it will become around 579. This is called as a type conversion. Clear for you?